This is the Maqueen Plus robot with HuskeyLens AI vision sensor, and it's going to go on this maze to on route 1 to destination number 1, and that's set using a ArcuCode that the AI vision sensor picks up. So let's just have a look at the possible routes. So the routes are shown over here, and the junctions are here. And what we'll do is Jason, do you want to go to number 1? Number 1 is over here. There's number 1, and there's number 2. Now, what we do is we put Maqueen Plus at the starting position, and we turn on the power. It's going to initialize, and we get the card, the ArcuCode here is the ArcuCode for route 1. So it's just about ready to go. So when we put the card in front and it identifies the card, it will go to destination number 1. Excellent. Jason, bring it back. Bring it here. Put it down. So we'll reset Maqueen Plus, and we'll do it for a different route this time. This time it will be for route number 2. So route number 2 is a different ArcuCode, this one here, and we're just waiting for it to initialize. It's initialized, and we'll let the vision sensor take over. Oh, had a bit of a hiccup there. Let's have another go, Jason. Bring it back. Put it there. Good. We'll start it again, and we'll put the robot here, turn the power on, and we get the right card when it's ready, when the initialization is finished. I think we're ready now. So we show the card to the robot, and it's off. This time I hope it goes for a bit longer. Ready. That's good. And it went to position number 2. Okay, Jason, bring it back. And that's the end of that demonstration. Just leave it there.